Did you know that eating certain foods with eggs might damage brain cells and cause dementia? Even though eggs are regarded as superfoods and are good for you, it's important to watch what you eat with them and how you cook them. Unknowingly, eating particular dishes with eggs can potentially raise your risk of dementia and cancer. In this video, we'll disclose 3 amazing meals that not only improve your eye health but also prevent dementia. We will also reveal 3 foods that you should never eat with eggs because of their dangerous combos. Many people unknowingly lose all the nutrients when cooking eggs. At the end of this video, I will tell you the right way to cook eggs to preserve their nutritional value. So let's jump in. The number of people suffering from dementia has significantly increased, affecting not only the middle-aged and elderly, but also young people in their 20s and 30s. Dietary habits are largely to blame for this growing problem. Every food has wonderful pairings that can boost nutrient absorption and dangerous combinations that can damage our bodies. The best thing we can do for our health is to understand this and include it into our daily diets. We're going to concentrate on eggs today because they're a superfood and are full of high-quality protein, vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients. On the other hand, the foods you eat with eggs might have a detrimental effect on your health and perhaps cause dementia and cancer. In order to prevent cancer and dementia, we will discuss 3 things in today's video that you should definitely avoid eating with eggs. We will also go over the 3 best ways to consume eggs in order to prevent cancer and dementia, as well as improve the health of your eyes. Let's discuss the foods you should avoid eating with eggs. 1. Flour and bread. Bread and flour are the first foods that you should never eat with eggs. Even though eggs are a vital component of bread, the combination of eating a lot of it and eating it frequently is bad. Choline, a kind of vitamin B that is good for memory and focus, makes up as much as 30% of the components of brain cells. Eggs contain this vitamin. Nevertheless, flour, which is primarily composed of carbohydrates, raises blood sugar levels and produces sugar poisons that damage brain tissue. Diabetes, cardiovascular conditions, and chronic inflammation, which can result in cancer, dementia, and brain disorders, are all consequences of this internal conflict. For breakfast with eggs, use whole wheat bread or wholesome vegan breads that aren't prepared with refined flour. I will create an in-depth video discussing the potential harms of bread and highlighting the types of bread that are actually good for you. So stay tuned and hit that subscribe button. 2. Soy products. Tofu and other soy products are the second item you should never consume, with trypsin inhibitors found in soy milk mixed with avidin in egg whites to degrade the nutrients that are abundant in eggs. Combining eggs with soy milk will hinder the absorption of other minerals and high-quality protein. Eating eggs with milk or water is preferable. 3. Tea. Finally, it is strictly forbidden to drink tea such as black or green tea with eggs. Tea leaves tannins react with the proteins in eggs to generate tannin-protein complexes, which deteriorate the intestinal environment, slow down intestinal peristalsis, and cause constipation. Additionally, this may make it more likely that harmful compounds and carcinogens will be absorbed. When eating eggs, stay away from tea and soy milk and use milk or water instead. Now let me share the best foods to pair with eggs. 1. Pumpkin. The first best partner for eggs is pumpkin. Pumpkins and eggs go well together, especially since eggs' protein aids with absorption. Eggs' calcium and the fiber in pumpkins both stimulate the parasympathetic nervous system, which lessens stress and anxiety. Eating pumpkin, which the body converts to vitamin A, as well as eggs' lutein and zeaxanthin carotenoids, which have strong antioxidant properties, protects the retina, and lowers the risk of degenerative eye illnesses. Consider trying pumpkin soup, pancakes, or egg rolls. 2. Cheese. Cheese is the second best food to pair with eggs. Cheese is nutritionally a perfect match with eggs, balancing each other's nutrients. Because cheese is high in probiotics and calcium, which help with nutrient absorption and digestion, it pairs especially well with eggs. 3. Apples. Apples are the third greatest food to have with eggs. Apples are high in dietary fiber and vitamin C, while eggs are low in both. Apples help in protein digestion and the prevention of cardiovascular illnesses by promoting gastric juice secretion, eliminating bad cholesterol, and assisting in digestion. Now, discuss the best cooking methods for eggs. Last but not least, the method used to boil eggs matters a lot. It's not advisable to eat raw eggs due to the risk of foodborne illness. It is also not advisable to fry eggs. While steaming and boiling are both acceptable cooking techniques, it is preferable to eat soft-boiled eggs as compared to those that are very hard. Use oils with a high omega-3 concentration, like flaxseed or olive oil, when frying eggs. To summarize, rather than eating eggs with flour like bread, choose pumpkin to get the best benefits. Pick cheese over soy items like tofu or soy milk while eating eggs. Eggs with apples instead of apricots at all times. I sincerely appreciate your time. With this knowledge in hand, I hope you'll remember to take good care of your health. Please remember to subscribe, like, and share today's video with your loved ones if you thought it was useful. I promise to continue providing you with more useful and informative health information.